Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about how to solve the clock. So this is the Shengshao magnetic version. And yeah, so basically how the clock works is that you have these 4 pins and these 4 wheels. When you put a pin up on the side and you turn a wheel, it will turn the clocks around the wheel, around the pin, like that. And for example, if I put 2 up, it will turn all of these 6 clocks. And for example, 3 clocks, it will just turn all the other things except this. And if you turn something like that on this side, for example, like I turn this to the pointing to the 6 o'clock direction, on this side it will also change. So here's a trick. We first want to solve a cross on one side and then flip it to the other side, and then of course in this way or in this method you do not want to turn this while solving this phase. That will ruin the process. So yeah, the final goal is to have all of the clocks on both of the sides to be pointing to the 12 o'clock direction. So let me just scramble this real quick. Alrighty, so that looks pretty scrambled to me, so we can start the solving process. First, you want to have the cross solved on one side, and I will do this cross. So, for example, I want to pair the others to this. So I can just move these 3 down, and I will move this clock to pair the same with that. And then now let's pair up this one, so I can just move that up, and then move it down like that. And then let's pair this one. So remember here, you want all these 3 to move, so you want both of these pins up, like that. And then similarly having both of the left pins up, turn it like that. And remember, after you solve the cross, you want to turn everything to the 12 o'clock direction. So now we flip it to the other side and start the process again. But for this time, we need to solve the whole thing. So here I see that these 2 are the same, already solved, so I can just move this to the solved state. And then I will move this pin down here. And then now, after we solve the cross, we want to solve the corners too. So for this one, you want 3 of the pins up and 1 down. So you can move all these clocks to match this one. So for example, and also if you have these 3 pins up, it doesn't matter if you turn this wheel, or this wheel. it always does the same thing. So basically, I use my thumbs to turn the bottom wheels, and I use my index finger to turn the top wheels. So I would just do something like that to match them up. And then I will do that so I can match this one up. And then I can lastly match that up. So now it should give us a solved state. As you can see, now both of the faces are solved. And yeah, I should have the steps listed right here. And that is basically it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. And if you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!